Greetings and thanks for dropping by for the latest edition of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Monday, June 25th, 2012, and a couple of announcements before we get started. The end of this week on Friday will be the conclusion of our little experiment in adding contracts as we make profits, so you'll want to see what the final outcome is. And also, this will be the last week of market movies for a while because I'm going on vacation for the first 2 weeks of July, and we'll probably resume thereafter unless I decide that I've had enough of this stuff. Anyway, let's get started. We have a slightly different kind of chart today. It's kind of a combination of a 5-minute chart but with 1-minute price bars. It's a very interesting kind of feature. NinjaTrader allows us to put multiple time frames on a single chart. And so I'm kind of experimenting with that today. So let's get started. Okay, flip the parabolic and our stochastics look like they're heading lower. So let's get short. By the way, I think we're trading 116 contracts right now, peeling off 88 at the first target. Okay, stopped out. Okay, got the Stokes crossing again. The light blue stochastics is a 1-minute. The dark blue with the gold is a 5-minute. The moving averages are basically 5 minutes. And the price bars themselves, however, are 1 minute. Ooh, that's what we'd like to see. All right, let's see if we get another opportunity to go short here. Price has come above the blue and is heading back down. Likewise, our faster stochastic has come above the slower and gone back down. All right. Pause. I don't want to crank the speed up too high here because with a 1 minute chart things move pretty quick. All right, our MACD has flipped to a bullish posture. Okay. Now, I'm going to get long here, and you're thinking, well, we don't have any divergence. Well, that's true, but there's another basis for getting long here, which is the 1, 2, 3 bottom. Remember that? I covered it very thoroughly in one of my recent webinars. Here's a 1, intermediate high is 2, and a number 3 point which does not take out the previous low. That strongly suggests that the market is going to take off to the upside. Well, we just flipped the parabolic to bullish. We have a bullish MACD, and both our stochastics are heading up. So I think we are fully justified in trading in that direction. Not only that, but since these the moving averages rather, are from a 5-minute chart, if we were looking at strictly a 1-minute chart, which is what we have here in terms of the price bars, we would have very shortly a red, white, and blue alignment on the bullish side. So bottom line is we're getting long. Live with it. Nope. Stop down. Now, we are actually heading in the bearish red, white, and blue direction here. Stochastics both down. Curvature on the MACD, not an actual cross, but we're about ready to resume a red, white, and blue alignment here. So let's reverse this position and we'll take this up to there and get short. Now, from what I recall, I didn't take this trade during the day, but we'll take it now. Okay, we hit the first target. We're going to make that second one? I don't know. Not looking too likely, is it? Okay, stopped out. Now, however, we're heading back in the direction where we were a moment ago, and once again, we have a 1, 2, 3 bottom situation here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, doesn't matter how you measure it. So long-term stochastics heading up, these two heading up, bullish cross on the MACD. We're about to flip this, not quite yet, but let's go ahead and get long. Okay, stopped out. Now, we're right up against the clock here, but we're actually trading in the direction of the red, white, and blue alignment here. So let's get short one more time. Gotta watch the clock so we don't run out of time here. Alright, we're just about there. I'm going to close this trade and run out the clock. Alright, 31,325. That means we're going to be adding at least 31 more contracts tomorrow. That should be interesting. And let's see how many trades we had today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-0 and a little over 31,000. When are you folks going to get the message and come take this course? We'll see you next time.